In the olden days, as if it were now, the Assyrian Ashurbanipal did say, "It was I who put out the human voice, the roars of joy." Another Syrian said, "I gouged out the myriad pairs of eyes from their eyeballs and cut off a myriad tongues from the mouths. I hung severed heads from the trees in the city and cast the rest of others into the flaming fires." But thus spoke Cyrus, "I commanded that slavery be abolished, that slaves be liberated, that every ruined city be rebuilt, so that the hearts of people may be filled with glee." And in another millennium, Ferdowsi, that master of epic, said, "Seek out not war and violence in vain. Wash not your hearts in waters darkened by stain." And Buddha, the spirit of perennial peace, said, "Better than 1,000 useless words is one useful word, hearing which one attains peace." And Sa'di the reformist stated, "I say peace is far better than war. By human values, conquering the entire world would not be worth shedding a single drop of innocent blood. Human beings are members of a whole." And Hafiz the sage said in the manner of Christ, "Be not less than the tree that lends its shade. Be kind to him who bludgeons you with his spade." And Rumi, the enraptured soul, stated, "Let us value one another's worth. Despite an hate, cloud over amity. Let us banish from our hearts all enmity." But amidst the heyday of politics and trades, in the commotion of wars and military expeditions, Mahatma Gandhi said, smiling with peace, "These borders have never been created by the Lord." And Mandela stated, "I dream of an Africa which is at peace with itself." And Goya, the restless Spanish artist, discerned the nightmarish woes of men and daringly and poetically painted them in the war-ravaged May. The rebellious Spanish freedom fighters were executed by a firing squad. And in another century, Picasso's Guernica depicted the horrors of Guernica's innocent people in Basque, Spain. and thus the dove of peace and of hope. And the birds, painted by Brock, that learned painter, took wing in the firmament of peace. But in Hiroshima, a little girl longed for peace with her paper cranes. And statesmen with visions politically bent voiced their horror of an atomic war imminent. Those who survive this war insane will envy those who are slain. And they went on and on and on. But where does the world lie? When there is war, the world will die. The world exists when peace prevails. An Eskimo prays for himself and for everyone else in the infinite whiteness of his pole. May there be heat in our frozen homes. May there be flames in our lamps and peace in our hearts. May there be peace for lamps, for homes, for people, for the world. May the world overflow with music, the music of sympathy, the music of tranquility, the music of peace, and the music of fraternity.